think Zimbabweans have been told there's a certain type of wife. So you meet this girl, arikutoita life yake on the fast lane. Otora mwana wevanhu. Wauda kumvisisa mumashoti ake makunomfekeza ma-2-piece because kumba kwenyu ndo zviri acceptable. And then wapedza kumfekeza 2-piece onochita neari mushoti.
Welcome, my child. You are not judged here. This is the confession booth. Your story, your secret, your scandal. Unfiltered, unjudged.
Life is just life and then you think then you're coming through and
No,
whatever.
my issue is marry your type. The issue is I think Zimbabweans have been told there's a certain type of wife.
Hey, what material girl?
So you meet this girl, arikutoita life yake on the fast lane. Otora mwana wevanhu. Wauda kumvisisa mumashoti ake makunomfekeza ma-2-piece because kumba kwenyu ndo zviri acceptable. And then wapedza kumfekeza 2-piece onochita neari mushoti. So just marry for you and your type and not try and change mwana wevanhu. So I think that's where a lot of disconnect happens. Because we know, tinotozviziva kuti patori ne-wife material kana wakuenda kwananingi chitopfeka zvakadai. You get it? But it's your job as a man to defend what you like. If you like your women a certain way, don't let the rest of the family then try and mold your person into something. Then you are now stuck with someone who's trying to fall into a mold somewhere, lose who they are in the process, have children. Now they're transitioning from being this person to being a wife, to being a mother, and Emrora in all of this is happening, Kawan, and you are not waiting. So the next thing is you are going to find a girl who's the exact replica of the person you married, who's in transition.
You do know that we started recording, right?
Oh, hallelujah, Jesus.
You can introduce the show now.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the confession booth. Well, today I'm here to crush the party. So yeah. Hey, Alex.
Hi, how you been? Sha, can I ask? Okay. Now I wanted to ask a weird question. Whose responsibility do you think it is to actually buy a morning after? It's not the guy's responsibility, right?
Fam, if you want to raise a kid on your own, let that be someone else's responsibility.
Okay.
Get your own pill.
So what do you have for me today?
That's how 10 my morning after.
I wanna repopulate. We need more people.
Practice safe sex, child. Anyway, what? All right, hey there, it's your girl on the confession line. I need to get something off my chest that's been weighing on me for a minute. So a few years back, my aunt passed away, and her and her husband were always there for my siblings and I, financially and emotionally, especially after our parents passed away. And now I've been seeing her husband on the down low.
Wait, run that back. You said what?
She's been seeing the uncle who was helping raise her after her parents died and the aunt died on the down low, and is asking me to make things official between us. But here's the thing, we have a 20-year gap. And if we go public, I risk losing the benefits he's been providing me with. Plus, I've talked so much smack about him to everyone I know. I'm worried I'll look like a fool if I come clean. I wish I could just run away, but I'm stuck with the year left at uni and he's the one footing the bill. What should I do?
What's the craziest thing that you've done on the down low?
Nah, I don't think I do. I don't do a lot of things on the down low. I just don't announce them, but I can live with them if you know about them.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wait, let me get this straight. Saka, kanachita sarana 1 year go university like let's just try to calculate this.
Maybe 21, 22. Depending which course you're doing, right?
Yeah.
Ngawi course you're ungene university at 18, so there's 19, 20, 21. Yeah, 21, 22.
So 22, and so let's
so the boyfriend, because this is the boyfriend, right?
It's 42.
Should be 42 or something.
Interesting.
Yes.
Hey, I don't know where to attack this issue from.
Let's attack it from where the problem is.
From a moral.
The man took advantage of her.
Why are you blaming the men?
Because if she's in varsity, it means he's been seeing her since she was a teenager and he was in his 30s. Imagine dating a girl who says, how old are you? I'm 18.
She's legal, right?
Oh, really? We are
I'm
going to
saying-
go with she's legal.
No. Let's
We
be
are
fair.
hoping she was legal when they started seeing each
I'm
other.
saying she's legal and she's saying it's a download. This means that she's accepting this and she's consenting to this, right? But what I'm saying, why did you go for the men? Me, I wanted to say,
No, I was just
So-
starting with the root problem, where the first issue is.
I think the first issue is the fact that they're actually dating while she knew
I would like to believe.
the guy's wife.
I would like to
And they
believe.
were eyeing each other when the wife was
No.
alive.
I would like to believe, as a guardian, he should not have been looking at her like that to begin with. And secondly, because he's the older one of all of them, he probably initiated the relationship.
Okay, as a man,
Uh-huh.
as a man, I'm sure people might eat me up for this one or whatever, but as a man, I know situations where you can see I'm 17, and not that you'll be eyeing her like that. But all of a sudden, nine Pablos, that ass though.
But no. But you see, that's the problem.
It's
you
not-
should
it's not-
no.
What I'm saying is, listen, okay.
So I'm going to address that.
How many people knew you when you were like,
I'm looking into the camera because this is direct.
And then people be like, yo, but Nox is now looking thick.
No, if you see umuntu ekula, if you see someone growing and they are, oh my baby, oh my little sister, keep them there, because you're not too far from dabbling from being a pedophile.
So I say P Diddy is a pedophile for being with that Lori Harvey chick.
Who?
P Diddy, when I was dating those Lori Harvey chicks here.
Because you know what? No,
I feel like
context, no. The context is different. The context is he met this woman and she was a woman. You are meeting this girl and she's in your home. So you raised her from when she was a kid. I'm assuming maybe 13, 14. You get it? So you're looking at this child and then they suddenly develop and then something in your head switches and says, now this is a woman. No, you are borderline pedophile. You should not even think like that.
Incest, because these people are related. If it's like my aunt.
No. Related is different. You're not gonna garanaka. We're still African. When all
What
is
do you
said
mean
and done.
Garanaka? Your aunt, you, if your aunt passed away, you'll chow your uncle.
No. But traditionally, they could make you do it. If people are still following tradition, it's possible it could be done.
Okay.
Because they are not related, right?
So
They are not related.
So
My point is,
why I put the blame on the guy here?
we're not putting the blame on the guy. We are just dissecting the issue as it is.
Okay.
Yes. So where were we?
You were saying that when you see this kid growing up and then you
The moment you start looking at them, the moment something takes in your head, and you're like, but this is now a woman. Ule problem.
What you mean ule problem? Like, let's be honest. Like,
You do have a problem. You do have a problem. Why would you look at someone you saw in diapers, suddenly they're 21, you're like, ooh, she got booty. No,
but
they're
that's
still your
human
child.
nature, though. No, let's be honest. That's human nature, and that's like, okay, listen.
I won't speak for men because I'm not a man. I'm going to speak as a woman because I just think that's nasty.
What you mean that's nasty?
You can't watch someone grow, Alex. You can't look at someone.
Okay, trust me. Trust me.
And then suddenly one day, who am
Have you seen their ages? The blesser guys, have you seen their ages? These people are young enough to be their daughters. It's happening in every varsity across the country. And then you
But
say,
they're legal.
this girl is illegal as well.
And you know what? Back to Amaplesa. It also doesn't make it right. Do you get it? It also doesn't make it right. It's something that's there in society, right?
What's the oldest guy that has hit on you? Like, just hypothetically, not that trying to get in your biz. But
Oldest guy, maybe in their 50s, 60s.
this person is old enough to be your dad, right?
Yes.
And they actually...
But no. But they're dealing with a woman. Do you get it?
But you want a baby.
That they didn't see grow. The problem is you see the person grow. Then something in your head changes. If you meet someone and they are 19 and you are 30 and you're attracted to them, I still think it's a terrible age difference, but they're legal. To each their own.
I saw you grow. And then if something switches,
Alex,
in my head...
me before I even got my period. Do you get it?
Yeah.
There's no way you can wake up and decide, I want to date Noxy today.
Why are your friends zoning me? But anyway, continue.
I'm just saying.
So how do you help? So you
Anyway,
are saying
back to this
the
story.
guy is the one who's on the wrong.
Yes. He's not in the wrong. I'm just saying the foundation isn't so good. However, there is honor in the fact that he actually wants to make it official. You know, there actually is honor in the fact that he's saying, you know what, but let's.
My problem with this whole situation is from a moral point of view that this girl saw the aunt and she passed away, and then they keep, because what does down low mean in this item? Were they creep in when the aunt was around?
That's what we don't know.
Because like with the down low part as well, it's like,
but
and then she's now trying to come here, and one thing I hate about this situation is that she's coming here and it's like, I'll look like a fool and whatever.
But there's the poverty aspect.
Bitch, you're already a fool. Whether people know about it or not, your conscience should be telling you that something is wrong with me. Why am I dating this Bali?
No, but there's a poverty effect here. She says
we are poverty stricken, but she's
even saying she's scared to leave because she still has a year to go in varsity. So that's why I was saying I'm gonna put the blame on this man, because he's already taking care of her and the siblings. And then he initiates a relationship. Whether or not she's into the guy is a different conversation. But he's the meal ticket. You get it? That's what it is. He's the meal ticket.
Have you actually cashed in a meal ticket you before? Me?
No.
These things are actually fascinating when you're telling me, but me, I don't know about this thing.
Because he's a meal ticket.
All right.
He's taking, it's here in the story. He was taking care of me and my siblings. My aunt died. So he's not related to this girl. So now the only reason they're still under his roof is because she's servicing him, for lack of a better term. Because Alex, he has no reason to be with her, to be with them.
But he wants to make it official, though.
That's what I'm saying. Now he wants to make it official. So there is honor in that. That's where the honor is. At least he's saying, okay, so I'll charge Giro Msaka the whole way. So let me marry you. Okay,
so what's the solution? The solution is, if she doesn't want to be a fool, she must let go of the money as well.
No, but the reason she wants to be a fool is the reason she says I don't want to be a fool is I risk losing benefits. Okay, that's different. I've talked so much smack about him to everyone.
So she risks losing the Honda Fit and the iPhone 14?
Yes.
Okay.
No, but here she's saying she's talking about your future, not gadgets. She's talking about university fees. She's not talking about I want a weave. She's not saying I want a fit. She's saying the reality is
she's got one year left for school fees.
Yes.
Guys, if there are viewers out there who can assist us with university fees for this lady.
But I'm assuming she's got siblings that need to be taken care of also. And then there's the roof over her head because she's living in this man's house.
They're relatives, these people. And when she was talking smack about, because you see, I hate situations and scenarios whereby people come and they're not honest, or they tell their side like they're
a half truth.
Yeah, like, okay, if she's been talking smack about this person, I'm sure she was talking smack when someone was like, the way you guys look at each other and the way you guys move, it's like you guys are dating. And she's like, nah, I'll never date that guy. He's rubbish.
That's probably what it was.
So, okay, interesting.
That's probably what it was. So anyway, I feel like the fact that this came here means she wants to leave. I would say leave.
But abanye bakhe bayenzani manje nxa se akusela school fees, akusela DSTV, akusela Zo Wi-Fi. So how do you then, does she take one for the team?
I think she's been taking one for the team. This guy complicated life by saying, let's make it official. She sounded like she was okay until he said, let's make it official. Because make it official means you also have to go deal with the rest of the family. Because
she said, if we make it official, she says, because there's a part she said she risks losing, if she makes it official, then she'll lose the benefits, right?
Which was weird.
Yeah, right? That's like, what are the benefits like if you...
But I feel like the worst loss is you will probably lose, to some extent, your family. Because...
now you've lost your dignity already. Like, I mean, you know, like, I don't understand.
No, but the thing with dignity is you get to sleep with your dignity. Or your lack of dignity.
No, that's what I'm saying. Uguti, like, me, to be honest here, I don't mind if people were to think that I'm this horrible person or
as long
this
as
whatever,
you can
right?
Sleep with
as long as I can sleep with myself, knowing Uguti, no, me, my conscience is clean. Then Uguti will become, this person is like an amazing person, and then I can't sleep with myself. I'm like, yo, this is the...
But you know what? I guess ultimately to each their own. So in this case, her issue is, I would say leave.
I'll say leave after the degree.
So you think she should bambelela for a year? You do realize getting the degree doesn't guarantee you a job, right? It just gets you a degree.
Yeah, that piece of paper. I think that's what she's actually after. She's like, yo, this guy's been paying my tuition or my varsity tuition or whatever. So I think we made a sugi after the degree. I think personally, but I think the whole situation is messy already as it is. They have both been messy. I feel like she's got guts as well, and I wonder how she feels about it. Because on the down low implies that this guy is my blesser. I like the Caribbean trips.
But you don't like the Caribbean trips. You're living with this man. I'm sure the trips are there. But that's why I'm saying also I was a little, like, okay, what benefits are you
I'm gonna lose already? You've got, you know what I mean? Like,
unless she was blackmailing the guy and saying
yeah, I think
unless maybe
it's
those
blackmail.
benefits.
But I mean, it's crazy how and like the situation might seem like it's one in a million, but I mean, this is day to day. We've seen girls go through this every single day.
Mm-hmm.
We see this, like, sometimes or they're trying to just numb the pain.
They're numbing the pain.
Because like it's I feel like it's something that's happening in our society, and it's because of the poverty, I think, or maybe the ukukhulisa in a way as well. The enga, I don't know that we blame the parenting of the parents or because the parents are late.
But you can't blame the parenting because this man was the parent. This was the parent.
You still want to put across the point that this man was being unfair.
He is the parent. You brought up parenting, and
No.
I'm just saying her parents died, and she came into this man's home. So he is the parent. He is the one who was raising her.
So is this supposed to be called some kind of rape? But nah, B.
It sounds very
'Cause
consensual, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because the fact that she
If you
says on the
started
down
before
low.
16, that's our legal age in Zim, right? 16 years.
Me as a virgin till 23.
They must move it to 18. When you
16 is
start
our legal age in Zim.
for sex card to consent to sex.
You're kidding me, right?
I think so.
No, it's 18.
No.
16 you can be still caught with statutory rape.
It's
16 right now.
yes, Zimbabwean constitution has raised the legal age of consent from 18 to 16.
You guys are telling me that in Zimbabwe,
After Form 4, they're ready to go.
you guys are kidding me.
Yeah, that's what I'm reading here.
No, man, it's ridiculous.
I'm on Google now. It's saying the Zimbabwe's court raises age of consent from to no. To 18, it's now 18.
Yeah.
Sorry. It's 18. No, 16 is too young. No, it's 18. Yeah, my bad. So I didn't, from 16 to 18.
It was.
It was 16 for a long time, yes.
Okay, so tell me, if you were in the situation, what would you do?
Leave.
Usiyanga.
Leave. And I say this because I'm a bit of a tough cookie. I literally left Bulawayo to come to Harare. I was like, I'm going to make a plan when I get there. So if you don't want to be in an uncomfortable space, no one will. If the fact that means you are still, if you're not comfortable, you will leave. I've left jobs because I chose my peace of mind.
But she's still.
No, she's in the 21s, 22s, guys.
But that's what I'm saying. But she's. The problem she doesn't want this guy to out her. I think that's the problem.
That's the issue.
She doesn't want to leave the situation.
No, I don't think she wants to leave the situation. She doesn't want not outing. This guy wants to legalize it. You get it? Now he wants to either have or chat.
Because probably he wants kids with this person.
Yeah, Saka, he's a serious man. Dear man, if you're listening, I got you, babe. I'm just joking. But you see, he's asking to make things official. So making official means the rest of the family now gets to know what's happening. Pavaiti vana vari kugara kwana baba ningi. Then they realize here, ko vana mwana tu wa mukadzi kwana wa baba ningi. So that's where the danger is.
If you were like, say, an auntie or my nini in the situation, how would you navigate the situation if she comes to you and says, yo, Gule.
I mean, firstly, siyakhuza, right? Mntanama yikho yasonto enhle. However,
okay, I'm listening.
However, njobe sefuna ukukulobola. Is this something you're interested in? If yes, then it's okay. I would say marry him.
Do you think these people are using protection when they're having whatever they're having?
You can say it. Say sex. Why are you saying having whatever they're having?
Maybe I'm trying to be the calm one here. I'm saying, do you think these people are actually like...
I don't think they are. He probably broke her virginity.
No.
He probably did.
There's TikTok for that one. And there's Mashede for that one. But anyway, continue.
People are breaking their virginity on TikTok?
No, but continue. You're saying...
So I would, as your auntie, then as your auntie, your job is also to make the family warm up to the idea. So from there, after you've moved, you talk to Mtwana, you talk to your Mkwenyana, is already Mkwenyana, I mean. You talk to Mkwenyana, okay. Then talk to the rest of the family. I would say do it.
Do you know the reason why I'm saying this, why I'm finding this as a complex issue is ukuthi abantu laba babe isihlobo, so uyabengakwazi ukuthi babe sebhadala ilobola kubani.
Babe asosihlobo. Alex, if you marry me, right?
But we're already related. What you mean?
No, okay, I'm just using as an example.
All right.
You marry me, right? And then I die, and my niece and my little sister,
right,
or my niece, comes to stay with us.
Yeah.
We are not related. They are not related to you.
So
you are related to me.
So
it's a long distance. It's a katana relative. Actually, you could even marry my little sister.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah. Traditionally, until you marry their sister. Because you're still marrying into the same clan.
So do you like get a discount?
No, but lo auntie uvele waqala wamdlelesa yena. Lo sikuchacha more manje. Futhi umthole fresh.
Interesting. So what's the final word? What advice would you give to this person?
Okay, I think like you said, maybe let's get the degree. Let's sojourn for 1 more year. Or at least until the fees is paid.
Do you think there is a ghetto youth there who thinks, what's that character? There's a man tower out there who's like baby rangu.
It's possible.
But why do you women do this?
Yeah, don't ask me on behalf of all women. What do I know?
I'm like, why? Imagine there's a guy there who's buying teddy bears that I for Valentine's, saying, this is my item.
And then the Bali is buying a 14. Come on now. Do the math.
And then even like, you can't even if you're a guy, you can't even be possessive, because if the Bali is dropping it off a varsity, like, nah, that's my uncle, man.
And why are you being possessive? They live together. You have no reason to be possessive.
Yeah, you don't even like.
You're blasé to it because they live together.
This is crazy, man.
I would say, I guess we've already started this journey. Finish off your year. Get the degree. Die for something.
Yeah, gunzima. Anyway, guys, no, I'm saying like it's. No,
what's your advice? What would you say?
Personally, as a morally righteous person, No. It's crazy. Me, I think, you've already done the unspeakable. So I mean, continue with everything that you're doing. That's my advice to you.
Get your degree.
The 20-year difference doesn't matter as long as dick still goes hard. I mean, 20-year difference is only 20 years.
Yeah, this guy was already doing his first year or second year university when you were born. Keep going.
Yeah, but because she's coming here like, didn't she know the difference when they were doing their shit on the download? Now it's like all of a sudden she bumped into his birth certificate, like, oh my God, this guy is 40.
Yeah.
So this is the most toxic advice I'll give, but hey, continue. A luta continua. I think out the reels, like, there is nothing to stop. You guys just continue with everything that you are doing, and just make sure you get tested and stuff. So abantwana like, it's weird.
But it's slow.
No, I'm saying like when they have kids, let's say these two people have kids. Like, how do they address these people?
Oh, you mean if auntie and uncle had kids, now they've moved from being cousins?
It's weird, right? Yeah. It's
that's
like
chain gets a
crazy.
little weird.
But anyway, yeah, you guys
But they don't
continue.
share a surname, so
Yeah.
until they get married, so it's okay.
But yeah, I feel like these people should continue for the sake of the population. The globe depends on these kids. So yeah, I think let's lower each other.
Yeah, it's been good.
So you can now close the show, I think, on this camera.
So I close the show?
Yeah.
Wow, I get to close the show. Well, thank you so much for having me. It was good. It was fun. And we out.
Was a confession. Go ye, my child, and sin no more.